Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe. So, student, I am your computer teacher. My name is Divya Kankar. So, class 8, welcome to the new class. And today we are going to start a new chapter, your new chapter, chapter number first, network basis. So, today we are going to just start an introduction part about of a network basis. So let's start this topic. First of all, student, network basis. So what are the computer networks? Class 8, a computer network is an interconnection of two or more computers in such a way that they can communicate with each other and share data and hardware resources. All are hardware resources. Okay, so known as a computer network, and each computer in a network is called a node. Node. So this process of connecting computers together into a network is called networking, is known as a networking. Okay, so basically a network basis, it's a part of interconnection related to or more computers in a such a way and that they can communicate with each other. Okay, so you can see a picture of a network basis. So you can see a small computer network. Okay, so in a small computer network, first of all, computer A, computer B, and computer C. Okay, three computers are connected with the hub. So it's a main part, hub. Okay, and attach a printer. So basically a proper small computer network. So is known as a network basics, networking. Okay, so it's known as a networks. Okay, you can see a properly a small computer network. So it's a figure of network basis. So in this figure you can see a properly computers A, B and C are connected together in a network through, okay, which are network device known as a hub. So here computer A and B can also be used to give the print command. So to the printer attached to through computer C. Now next topic in this introduction part on network basis, need and importance of a network. So it's an important topic, need and importance of a network. So the growth of information, the unprecedented growth of information and the need for sharing it quickly, efficiently and reliably, okay, while keeping the cost down. So boost to computer networking. So here are some of the advantages offered by the networking of computers. So student, do you know about this? When two or computers are not network, means data between them is shared by copying data files from one computer onto a storage device like a pen drive, DVD, CD, etc. Okay, so all are carrying the storage device to the other computer. So this method of data transfer is known as a sneaker net. Okay, so the process store computer pen drive, DVD files attached and files on a storage device. So the carrying the storage device to the other computer. Now second name is a resource sharing. So second part importance, the sharing, resource sharing means hardware devices like a printer, hard disk, CD drive, scanner and so on. So all are attached to one computer in a network, can be shared by all other computers, in that case a network. So all network our network also allow sharing of computer. Second, third is saving of money. So saving of money means since a network allows sharing of hardware and software, so it saves a considerable amount of money that would otherwise be spent on buying separate hardware and software for each computer. Okay, so it's a combined combination of a to both a hardware and software. So next is the access to information on remote computers. So it's important the biggest network of computer and allow access to information stored on remote computers. Like number of things like booking airlines, railway tickets booking, hotel accommodation, etc., electricity bill payment and etc., all our work and so on sitting on the computer in our home. We can access information easily. So next fifth is a faster, cheaper, and reliable communication. So network based in a network basis, some special communication software like Google Talk and Messenger, MSN Messenger helps in faster, reliable exchange of messages between network and user at much cheaper cost. Okay, we can easily find out, and we can easily smoothly work with the help of a computer to reliable communication, faster and cheaper. Okay, so all are importance of our terms of a network part. Now last is the security. So security features, class 8, sensitive files and programs on a network can be passed protected, okay, and secure. Then two files can be accessed by the authorized user known as user who knows the password. So this ensures the security of data and sensitive information to securely. Okay, so we can easily we can easily access, we can easily maintain our computer to through our security. Okay, so all our basic parts points, all are basic points and parts of a need and importance of a network. So student, class 8, today you will just your homework is a read properly what are computers network. Okay, basically introduction part and need and important also network basis. Okay, so your homework is, today's homework is chapter number first, read page number 1 and 2. Okay, properly in your book, and diagram also uh, you will draw in your notebook properly. Small computer network. Okay, we we already discussed in our previous class two basic of a small computer network diagram, okay, in your chapter number first, network basis. Okay, so read properly page number 1 and 2.